I want to say they probably added all these rocks here. There should not be any rocks here. It looks really good here. Just got a little bug fly between my glasses. Definitely pretty warm as well. I think it's like about 75 degrees, but it's a pretty good workout going down this steep hill here. But I mean, look at the view. The view is just beautiful. Look at that. Definitely beautiful. Look at that. Let's see. We're probably going about like 15-20 miles. Down this hill. It's definitely a workout, and that's for sure. All these twigs also, you don't want to run them over too much so they don't get in your foot.